Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitcoin Bull token. Ticker symbol is Btcbull. Now this token is live for pre-sale on their webpage, Btcbulltoken.com. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a CoinSalt audit. They have a solid proof audit. We're going to go over the information on the Btcbull token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says the Btcbull token, Bitcoin's best crypto pre-sale. Now, my voice is obviously shot today, super sick, so bear with me. It says Btcbull token is an unstoppable force pushing Bitcoin towards 1 million plus. Buy Btcbull and earn Bitcoin as BTC becomes the #1 asset in the world. Now, this token has been featured in different news articles by Coinpedia, News BTC, Crypto News, Cryptoplian. It says the official Bitcoin meme coin. Bitcoin is the best performing asset in history with an AAR of 230%. Up more than 200 million% since inception. Now jump on board and have a ride of your life as the Btcbull stampedes towards 250,000 BTC and beyond. So it says you can earn Bitcoin airdrops. Hold Btcbull tokens to receive BTC airdrops as the price of the greatest asset rises. A huge Btcbull airdrop also awaits the strongest holders when BTC hits $250,000, weighted by our community sale purchase amount. There's also token burn milestones, so Btcbull aims to reward holders as the price of Bitcoin increases. Each time BTC goes up another 25K, a percentage of the Btcbull token supply will be burned forever, creating an upwards price pressure. We burn and rise and repeat. And it says stake to earn. So Btcbull tokens are designed to reward believers in every way. Built on Ethereum with high annual percentage yield staking in a secure smart contract. Btcbull rewards will be issued to stakers for the duration of the community sale and over the next 2 years. So they looks like they have a roadmap, but basically it goes pre-sale and then token burn, airdrop, token burn, airdrop, token burn, airdrop. So it's kind of a short roadmap there. It says earn free Bitcoin with Btcbull token. The Btcbull community has a mega bullish opportunity to earn free Bitcoin. Simply hold the tokens in your best wallet and receive direct BTC airdrops. You can download the best wallet from the web page here. So if you go to Btcbulltoken.com, they have a buy now button. They also have a how to buy section in case you need help figuring out how to buy this token. But you could use a best wallet. You could use a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. You could fund your wallet with ETH. Then you would connect your wallet to the page here, to the web page. Then you punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how much BTC Bull tokens you get for that amount. And then you would click purchase. You could stake your tokens. And then you could also, when the pre-sale is over, you'll claim your tokens. So the tokenomics, we got 15% going to the Bull Fund, 15% going to Milestone Burn Fund, 10% going to airdrops, 10% staking, 10% exchange liquidity, and 40% PR and marketing, for a total supply of 21 million tokens. That's basically the supply of Bitcoin as well. So it is a meme coin built to champion Bitcoin's charge to $250,000 and beyond. The BTC Bull is not intimidated by any forces that would try to stop the rise of the best investment in the world. Join us in this momentous crypto pre-sale for a ride of a lifetime, as we will historically leave the opposition behind, gather millions of new supporters, and aim for the #1 spot in the world. Now, the ultimate play would be the pre-sale. This coin has a passionate community, and it says, can I really earn Bitcoin airdrops? And it says, does a bull ever stutter? Yes. Hold BTC Bull tokens in your best wallet, and you can earn airdrops as the price of Bitcoin increases to 150,000, 200,000, etc. Now, they have here, is the free Bitcoin faucet or a Bitcoin airdrop? It says not exactly. A free Bitcoin faucet allows people to redeem some free BTC. BTC Bull is offering free Bitcoin airdrops to its holders of the token. So there's all sorts of frequently asked questions like this that you could go through if you like on their webpage. That's where you could find the pre-sale. Now, I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, as usual. Their Telegram is at BTC_bull_token. Over 1,000 subscribers on there. And then their Twitter is at BTC_bull_token. Blue verified check mark. Over 8,200 followers. Has a link to their webpage right in the pinned tweet there. That's where you can find the pre-sale real easy. 17 tweets, blue verified checkmark. You can also find this token listed on coinsniper.net. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.